Certainly. Here is an expanded discussion on 5 foods that have more calcium than milk, along with details on their nutritional profiles, benefits, and ways to incorporate them into your diet. 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny, black or white seeds derived from the Salvia hispanica plant. They are incredibly nutrient-dense, offering a wealth of benefits in a small serving. Per 100 grams, chia seeds provide approximately 631 milligrams of calcium. They are also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, fiber, and protein. Health benefits. Calcium supports bone health and helps prevent osteoporosis. Omega-3 fatty acids promote heart health and reduce inflammation. Fiber improves digestive health and aids in weight management. Antioxidants protect against cell damage from free radicals. Ways to incorporate chia seeds smoothies. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds to your morning smoothie. Puddings. Mix chia seeds with almond milk or yogurt to create a nutrient-rich pudding. Baking. Incorporate chia seeds into bread, muffins, or pancake recipes. Salads. Sprinkle chia seeds on top of salads for added crunch and nutrition. 2. Sardines. Sardines, particularly those canned with bones, are a powerhouse of calcium, providing around 382 milligrams per 100 grams. They are also rich in vitamin D, which enhances calcium absorption, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and various essential vitamins and minerals. Health benefits. Calcium and vitamin D, crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Omega-3 fatty acids support cardiovascular health and cognitive function. Protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. B vitamins aid in energy production and brain health. Ways to incorporate sardine salads. Add sardines to salads for a protein and calcium boost. Sandwiches. Use sardines in place of tuna for a nutritious sandwich filling. Pasta dishes. Incorporate sardines into pasta recipes for added flavor and nutrition. Snacks. Enjoy sardines on whole grain crackers with a squeeze of lemon. 3. Almonds. Almonds are a popular nut known for their rich nutritional profile. Per 100 grams, almonds provide approximately 264 milligrams of calcium. They are also high in healthy fats, fiber, protein, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Health benefits. Calcium supports bone density and overall skeletal health. Healthy fats promote heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. Fiber enhances digestive health and aids in maintaining a healthy weight. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage. Ways to incorporate almond snacking. Eat a handful of almonds as a convenient and healthy snack. Baking. Use almond flour in baking to add a nutty flavor and boost calcium content. Salads. Sprinkle sliced almonds on salads for added crunch and nutrition. Breakfast. Add chopped almonds to oatmeal, yogurt, or cereal. 4. Collard greens. Collard greens are a leafy green vegetable that is rich in calcium, providing about 232 milligrams per 100 grams. They are also an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, fiber, and antioxidants. Health benefits. Calcium, essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Vitamins A and C support immune function and skin health. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Fiber promotes digestive health and can help lower cholesterol levels. Ways to incorporate collard greens. Sautéed. Sauté collard greens with garlic and olive oil as a side dish. Smoothies. Blend collard greens into smoothies for a nutrient boost. Soups and stews. Add collard greens to soups and stews for added flavor and nutrition. Wraps. Use large collard green leaves as a healthy wrap alternative. 5. Amaranth. Amaranth is an ancient grain that is highly nutritious. Per 100 grams, amaranth contains approximately 159 milligrams of calcium. It is also a good source of protein, fiber, and various essential minerals like iron and magnesium. Health benefits. Calcium supports bone strength and overall skeletal health. Protein helps build and repair tissues. Fiber improves digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Iron essential for oxygen transport in the blood. Ways to incorporate amaranth. Breakfast porridge. Cook amaranth like oatmeal and top with fruits and nuts. Baking. Use amaranth flour in baking for a gluten-free alternative. Soups and stews. Add cooked amaranth to soups and stews for added texture and nutrition. Side dish. Serve amaranth as a side dish, similar to quinoa or rice. Conclusion: incorporating these calcium-rich foods into your diet can help ensure you meet your daily calcium needs, supporting bone health and overall well-being. Each of these foods not only provides more calcium than milk but also offers a unique array of additional nutrients and health benefits. By diversifying your diet with chia seeds, sardines, almonds, collard greens, and amaranth, you can enjoy a variety of flavors and textures while boosting your calcium intake naturally.